Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My beloved brothers and sisters, after a long time I have come to discuss about the fasting of Shawwal. So today I wanna discuss about it. So it's a very important things in our religion. So now what has been said in the Holy Quran and what has been said by the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you know that after Ramadan, Shawwal fasting is very important to Muslim because Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Man sama Ramadan thumma taba'ahu sittan min Shawwal kana kasiyam ad-dahr." Those whoever fast in Ramadan and then follows it with 6 days of Shawwal, it is as if he fasted entire whole years. Can you imagine? So in Islam's every fasting, every good deeds, it's 10 times. It's rewarded in 10 times. So if you fast, that means 30 days you have fasted. So 30 days, that means 300 rewarded. That means 303 times rewarded. You will be given, you will be gifted in the day of judgment. So that's why, dear brothers and sisters, 6 days, that means 60 days, like 60 days. 30 days, that means like 300 days. That means whole year you are fasting, you are getting the whole year's reward. So I hope that you will fast the month of Shawwal, 6 days fastings. It's more necessary and more helpful for our religious purpose peoples. So I hope that you will fast as soon as possible. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.